family, along with the Allegheny Health Network, of course, two people who really are working together for you and your health. Talk about what you're doing with Highmark. This is some really cool stuff. Go ahead.
So Dr. McCormick and I are involved in working with Highmark very closely on from day one from the time you're screened with a colonoscopy all the way to the point for which hopefully most of you will never be in this position, but many Americans are, is colorectal cancer. And so we are working on the prevention side, and Dr. McCormick's team's working on the surgical side, along with our oncologists. So what we're doing is really looking at the whole spectrum of colon cancer from the time of development of a polyp or a tumor until the end. And so we've been working in collaboration, looking at mostly Western Pennsylvania and seeing what the needs are, number one. Number two, seeing what the shortages are as far as who is not getting screened. We've screened more than 80% of Highmark patients the last time I looked, as of the end of 2018, but that's not the same with some of the other insurances. And so we're really aiming to get as close to 100% as possible. There are several, reasons why people delay their colonoscopies, and so when we've looked at Western PA and the city of Pittsburgh, it seems to be lack of transportation, or actually lack of owning a vehicle. The African American population, Hispanics, and the underserved, and actually the elderly greater than age 65 seem to be not getting their colonoscopies for a variety of reasons. So over the next several months, we're looking as to how we can go ahead, whether it's going out to the communities, holding educational sessions with the PCPs that are the doctors for these patients, to raise awareness and provide screening, whether it's with a stool test or colonoscopy itself, to be able to increase these numbers.
AHN.org to find out more in Medical Frontiers. Not next week for Memorial Day, but every other Monday night, 7 to 8, KDK Radio.